AI is everywhere, right? In our phones, in business tools, in search engines, but with all the hype, there are also a lot of myths floating around. Some of these myths sound convincing, but they can completely distort how people think about AI. So today, let's clear up the 7 biggest AI myths people still believe, and that are really too common. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's start with our myth number 1, that is AI thinks like a human. It's tempting to believe, but artificial intelligence had thoughts, opinion, or even creativity like us. But AI does not think, it does not understand meaning, it does not know what happiness or sadness is. What it really does is spot patterns in massive amount of data and then predict the most likely next step. For example, if AI writes a poem, it's not because it feels inspired, it's because it has seen thousands of examples of poetry and recreating patterns that look poetic. So the AI is powerful, but it's not conscious or self-aware. So I believe it's a math, not a mind. Okay, the myth number 2 is AI is always correct. AI sounds confident, and that's part of the problem. Sometimes it gives wrong answer in a way that looks convincing. This is called hallucination, when AI makes something up because it wants to complete the pattern even if the fact does not exist. For example, ask an AI about a book that does not exist, and it might invent an author, a publisher, and even fake reviews, all because the pattern looks believable. That's why AI outputs still need human fact-checking, especially in research, news, and health. So just because it's AI generated does not mean it's automatically true. Okay, the myth number 3 is AI will replace all jobs. Yes, AI is automating tasks, but not entire careers overnight. History shows that when new technologies appear, job change rather than vanish completely. For example, spreadsheets did not eliminate accountants, they made accountants more efficient. And the AI is similar like this. It automates repetitive parts of jobs like data entry, scheduling, customer support, but humans are still needed for oversight, decision making, and creativity. In fact, new jobs are already popping up like AI trainers, prompt engineers, and workflow designers. So the real shift is not AI replace humans, it's humans who use AI replace those who don't. Okay, so you know most of AI tools will talk to you, but this one is actually works for you. Think about it, what if you could say find apartments for rent in New York City under $2,500 per month near Times Square metro station? And instead of giving you work advice, the AI actually goes to online, clicks through different sites, filter the results, and hands you a spreadsheet of the best ones. That's not a demo, that's a real test I run using a tool called NextBrowser. Now here's where it gets crazy. Unlike normal AI systems that are logged inside their own database, this one opens a real browser in the cloud, so it behaves like an actual human user, scrolling, clicking, filling out forms, even solving captchas. You can ask it to track when your competitor posts on Instagram, watch iPhone prices across 20 stores, and alert when it drops, collect data from forms or website while you sleep. It's like having an employee that does not complain, does not rest, and runs 24/7 in the background. And here's the kicker, it's free to try right now while it's still in beta version. You will get the pro version for free only for a limited time, so you can save $20 just by signing up now. You will also get a coupon code for 50% off for the next repurchase of credit. So if you've been waiting for an AI that does not just chat but actually executes, this is the one. Link in the down below, test it before everyone else jump on it. Now let's back to our myth number 4, that is AI learns in real time like a person. So when you chat with AI, it can feel like it's learning from you as the conversation goes on. But in reality, most AI do not update their core knowledge instantly. Their own models train on fixed data sets, and those data sets only change when developers retrain them. So if you train an AI something today, it does not remember it tomorrow unless it's part of a system with memory. That's why some models feel outdated, like not knowing about recent events or new products. So AI is not strutting in the background, it learns when humans retrain it, not when you chat with it. Okay, so myth number 5 is AI can be biased. People often assume machines are neutral, but AI is trained on human-made data and humans are biased. For example, an AI trained on job application might show biased towards certain gender or schools. An AI trained on online images could reflect stereotypes about profession, appearance, or culture. This is not intentional, but it shows how AI reflects the data is given. That's why ethical use of AI requires careful training, audits, and sometimes rules about fairness. Okay, so myth number 6 is more expensive AI is always better. Big name models often cost more, but that does not mean they are always the right choice. For example, some smaller, cheaper AIs are faster and better for specific tasks like coding or summarizing text. Open source models can be just as good for specialized products. It depends on the job. They do need accuracy, speed, creativity, and automation. The best AI is often the one that balances those needs, not the one with the highest price tag. Okay, so now moving to our myth number 7, that is AI can do everything on its own. So AI is not a magic worker that replaces entire system. On its own, it's not just a tool. The real power comes when AI is integrated into workflows combined with human direction, data, and other software. For example, an AI that tracks product prices is not useful unless it linked to alerts, spreadsheets, or purchase system. That's where new AI gens comes in. Tools designed to act more like assistant that do tasks online, not just generate text. So AI does not run the show solo. The biggest impact comes when human plus AI work together. So those are the 7 biggest AI myths people still believe. AI is powerful, but it's not human, it's not perfect, and it's not magic. So the more clearly we understand its limit and its strength, the better we can actually use it in our day-to-day life. And if you're curious to try it out, an AI that does not just chat but actually takes action online, check out NextBrowser. The link is in description.